Today we're going to work on a Tacoma. Stay tuned. We're going from this grill to this. So this 2017 Tacoma, we're gonna swap the TRD Sport grill for something more in line with the TRD Pro. So let's get started. First we have to remove the old one. So you have a Phillips head here, and then tabs here. So we're gonna do those first. So after you pop them up, they pull right out. So we'll collect all of our stuff here. And there's pull tabs at the bottom we have to undo. So the little clips we removed from here, they're harder to see. If I can, but there's one here, and one on the other side. So there's four actually, two on each side of the center. I don't know if I can get them on camera, but you can kind of see it right here. So I'm gonna pull those out real quick.
Can't up so much. What you want
I
me
need
to
you
do?
to hold it while I take this grill out. After those four are out, it should pop out.
Do I hit go?
No, it's already recorded. So I gotta swap out the grills. Alright, so after you get it out, there's tabs here. It pops the center piece out, and that's the piece we're replacing. So in addition to the clips, there were a few spots like here that you have to unscrew, and then it's two piece or three piece if you include this piece. So you take this trim out, and I think this is being reused, and this is the piece we're replacing. Now time to install the Toyota. The Toyota's in, so now I kind of do the reverse. This will go in first, and then the other clip, the other, whatever that is. So it's in, and the chrome trim actually does not go back on. So that's it. Now we got to get the screws back in it, get it installed. Okay, that's it. It's installed. It was an easy install. It's from Madhornt.com. The Toyota grill. It's the TRD Pro. Or Pro-ish, I guess. Not sure if it's the same exact grill as the TRD Pro, but it looks awesome. So yeah, it looks a lot better. So thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.